Forget your local fast food joint. Today, we are building the king of all burgers right here. We balance smoky bacon, sweet caramelized onions, and a tangy secret sauce for the perfect bite. Build the fond, deglaze, and let that caramelized goodness sing. It's pure flavor depth. The secret sauce is creamy, tangy, with a hint of heat, designed to cling to every layer. Chef tastes, locked in. That's the flavor trio right there. Are you ready to elevate your burger game? Subscribe to Flavique Kitchen right now for more ultimate food creations.